This year, Volkswagen will launch a comprehensive technical and visual update of its Touareg premium SUV. The rear and front of the luxury SUV have been redesigned. The chassis has been further developed. Before the world premiere in the summer, Volkswagen is now providing a first preview of the update for its top model. At the front, it is possible to see the newly developed IQ.LIGHT HD matrix headlights and the elements of an also new LED light strip integrated between them. It is generated by a total of 38,400 micro LEDs. The new Touareg has also an illuminated logo on the rear end.